Here's how to mention someone in your Instagram story without showing profile ID name. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can mention someone in your Instagram story without showing the profile. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, you just have to go to Instagram. So once you're in Instagram, just press on your story icon and you can post your story from wherever you want. So I'm just going to type in right over here. And here, as you can see, I've already a story in my draft. So I'm just going to click on it. So here there are two methods on how you can do this. The first method is just you can just add them. So just press mention and then write their account name, and just like that. Once you do this, just drag it down, make it smaller so no one can see it, and then just drag it down, and you've simply mentioned them, and you could just go ahead and post the story. And once you click on the posting story, it will upload, and here, as you can see, the profile account won't be able to see, no one will be able to see the profile ID name or anything. But the second way is that you could just press on the story, and here in the corner you will be able to see these three dots in the corner. You just have to press on these three dots. Once you press on them, you will be able to see an option called add mentions. Just press on add mentions, and here you just have to select the account that you want to mention. So let's say I want to mention this account. Once you press this, just press on add. And here, as you can see, it says mentioned users in your story. So it sent the mention without anyone knowing. And here, as you can see, the mention isn't showing up the names or anything of the profiles. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.